How to upload songs on SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can upload songs on SoundCloud. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to upload songs on SoundCloud, all you have to do is open up the SoundCloud application. Remember to open the app only because from the browser you can't do so, and make sure to sign into the account from where you would like to upload the songs. After you do this process, if you look at the very top of the screen, you'll find a little upper arrow button that will allow you to upload the songs. So tap on that upper arrow icon that you can find there, then just choose a file from your device to upload it. And once you basically choose a certain audio file, you can simply give it whatever access it requires there, and then you'll be able to go ahead and resume it. Make sure to give it a title, the genre, the track description, and so on. Then tap the save option from the very top right hand side in order to upload songs on SoundCloud. That's all it takes to upload songs on SoundCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.